Can you explain to people listening what are the most common incorrect narratives, as you explained? Because I think that'll help parents as we raise our kids so that we don't repeat these same mistakes.
I think one of the biggest mistakes, and I think like one of the headlines that I can put on that is the amount of anxiety that there is around food. Some parents are really afraid that their kids are moving in the wrong direction in terms of their weight. Some are worried that they're not eating enough and maybe they're too picky. The amount of stress that we place on food is very unhealthy, and it's very bad messaging to children. We in our country don't have a big problem with malnutrition. We need to be confident that our kids can be nutritionally replete if they listen to their own hunger signals. And so I think one of the biggest sort of headlines to what you're asking me is there are many narratives. Everybody has their own individual, what I call emotional hunger narratives, expectation for more joy out of food than food can truly give them. And with sort of the understanding that they stem and are rooted in a sense of anxiety around food.